In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download pictures from Pinterest on computer, whether you're on Windows or Mac, using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. The process is the same. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a high-quality image to your computer in just a few clicks, plus a couple of tips to keep things organized and trouble-free. First, go to Pinterest.com. Open your browser, click the address bar at the top, type Pinterest.com, and press enter. The homepage will load with a feed of pins. You can browse or use the search bar to find something specific. If you already have a link to a pin, you can paste it right into the address bar. Make sure you're viewing Pinterest on the desktop site, not a minimized window that hides buttons. Next, select a picture and click it to open the pin. This takes you from the feed to the close-up view, where the image appears larger and the full set of controls becomes available. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact image you want. If it's part of a carousel, click through until you see the right one. It's also a good time to consider usage rights. Download images only when you have permission or when it's allowed for personal use. Now, look for the three dots menu on the pin. On desktop, this ellipsis icon is typically in the upper right corner of the pin window near the Save button and Share options. Hover your mouse near the area if you don't see it right away. Clicking the three dots opens a small menu with additional actions for this pin. Choose Download Image from that menu. When you click it, your browser may save the file immediately to your Downloads folder, or it may open a save dialog. If you get a prompt, pick the folder where you'd like to keep the image and optionally rename the file so it's easier to find later. Then confirm to save. Most images will download as a JPG or PNG. Watch for a brief confirmation in your browser's downloads bar or tray, and then open the file to make sure it looks crisp. That's all there is to it. Go to Pinterest, open the picture, click the three dots, and select Download Image. If you don't see the download option, the creator may have disabled it, or it may be a video pin. Always respect copyrights and creator guidelines. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.